Welcome to Dhaka, the vibrant heart of Bangladesh. Discover must-see attractions that capture the rich history and culture of this bustling city. First, let's explore Lalbagh Fort. This half-completed fortress offers beautiful gardens, perfect for a peaceful escape from the city's hustle. Next, we visit Ahsan Manzil, also known as the Pink Palace. Built in 1872, this stunning landmark was the home of Nawab Abdul Ghani, showcasing exquisite architecture. Flowing quietly is the Buriganga River. This river is not only vital for Old Dhaka but also symbolizes the lifeblood of Bangladesh's rich heritage. At Shankaria Bazaar, immerse yourself in the local atmosphere. This colorful street is famous for its vibrant hues and the scent of incense, creating a sensory feast. Don't miss the botanical gardens. Stretching over 40 hectares, it boasts over 1,000 plant species and an array of bird life, offering a lovely natural retreat. The Liberation War Museum tells the poignant story of Bangladesh's struggle for independence. This small museum is a vital testament to the country's history. Marvel at the National Assembly building, designed by the renowned architect Louis Kahn. This architectural feat reflects the aspirations of a newly independent nation. Discover Bara Katra, one of Dhaka's oldest structures. Despite its dilapidation, it holds tales from a historic Mughal past. Visit the Dhakaswari Temple, the central hub of the Hindu faith in Bangladesh. Named after the goddess protector of Dhaka, it's a spiritual sanctuary worth seeing. Next, explore Hussaini Dalan, which resembles a grand Hindu mansion with its architectural beauty. Built in 1642, this building offers insight into Bangladesh's diverse cultural tapestry. The National Museum invites you to journey through Bangladesh's geological and cultural evolution. It's an enlightening experience spread over several floors. Khan Muhammad Murida's Mosque, built in 1706, showcases Mughal architecture. Its elevated platform and stunning design make it a must-visit as well. Admire the Star Mosque, famous for its unique mosaics. Originally built in the early 18th century, it reflects the intricate artistic styles of the time. Surawardi Park offers a vast green space in Dhaka. Perfect for relaxation, this area previously served as a racecourse, now transformed into a peaceful escape. Dhaka University, established in 1921, features remarkable old buildings, including the architectural gem Curzon Hall, showcasing historical significance. Unwind at Balda Gardens, a serene oasis in the midst of busy Dhaka. This beautifully landscaped garden is ideal for leisurely strolls. Curzon Hall, a stunning red brick structure, exemplifies Gothic architecture. It's considered a masterpiece within Dhaka University's campus. Chota Katra and Bara Katra are historic caravanserais, both echoing tales of merchants from long ago. Explore their architectural charm amidst the high city walls. The Baitul Mukarram Mosque, designed to resemble the Kaaba, stands as a modern landmark in Dhaka. Its impressive structure captivates all who pass by. Visit Ramna Park for a peaceful retreat. This expansive green area was initially set aside for recreation during the Mughal era. Art lovers must stop at the Bengal Gallery of Fine Arts. This venue regularly hosts exhibitions, celebrating Bangladesh's vibrant artistic scene. The Old High Court is an imposing structure nestled near Dhaka University campus. It's the finest example of colonial architecture in the city. In Gulshan, explore the Gulshan Central Mosque, a striking modern mosque designed in the 1960s, symbolizing a forward-looking architectural vision. Zia Uddin, home to the lakeside mausoleum of former Prime Minister Zia Rahman, offers a tranquil setting for reflection. Sat Gumbad Mosque, dating back to 1680, showcases pure Mughal-style architecture. Its whitewashed dome is a notable feature in Dhaka's skyline. Kartalab Khan's Mosque reflects traditional Bengali architecture, merging local styles with historical significance. Don't forget to visit the Faculty of Fine Art at Dhaka University. It is home to a plethora of art exhibitions, showcasing emerging talent. St. Thomas Church, built in 1819, represents the Anglican faith in Bangladesh with its charming Gothic architecture. Lastly, explore Drik, a gallery specializing in photography that captures the essence of Bangladesh. In conclusion, Dhaka is a city bursting with history, culture, and artistic expression. From ancient forts to modern mosques, each site tells a unique story. Join us in experiencing Dhaka's wonders. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more travel inspiration. Discover your next adventure in this beautiful city.